Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a very quick video on some of these Btartbox clear gel press-on nails, and I'm also going to be using my Betsy solid nail glue. And I wanted to just quickly do this video because I just feel weird not having nails on for so long, so I thought what could be the quickest way to put on a set of nails, and I thought of my Betsy solid nail glue and some very easy to put on press-on nails. So that's what I thought I would do today. And I haven't used this gel in a while, so it was kind of all just spilling. It wasn't super messy, but as you can see, I was just trying to get like a clean removal of the paper that protects the gel. So if you did watch my previous videos, I did do a review on the other gel nail tips from Btartbox. It was the pink set with the kind of winter inspired nails, and I said I would get out a video using the clear ones as well, just because these are just really nice. They're really good quality nail tips to work with, and I just really enjoyed using them. And you can use my code NBCAMIN20 for 20% off. I will have it on screen. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little heads up, the solid nail glue actually didn't work as well as I wanted it to, just because some of the nails did start to lift soon after me applying them. Now I don't know if it's because I didn't prep my nails properly or if I missed out a step, but that's actually never happened to me before with this gel. I don't know if maybe I got dust on it or something, but that was really weird. So I did have to kind of use a gel nail glue that came with these tips to reapply some of the nails. I didn't show it, but I just wanted to let you guys know. So my nails are already prepped, so I didn't want to like buff them or do anything too invasive. I just wiped them down with some rubbing alcohol, and this is my preferred way to use this gel, just because no matter how much we wash our hands, we can still have like some oils or some dirt on it. So I prefer not to touch the gel into like a ball and then put it in the nail tip. I prefer to scoop it out with the nail tip. That's just what I prefer. And when I applied this nail tip, I actually didn't put enough gel. You'll see in a minute. You can kind of see there's not enough gel around the edges. So I just popped that off and I go to pick up some more, which is something that I really love about this gel. It's just so nice to work with, and you don't have to worry about spilling. You don't have to worry about flooding the cuticles. Of course, you can touch the gel as well, but I wouldn't recommend that, just in case it leads to like lifting or whatever. So yeah, as you can see, you just press the nail tip on, and if you do get some gel oozing out, I just like to kind of pick it off. But again, I don't like to really touch the gel too much, so I just use my cuticle pusher, the scraping side of it, and I just remove any of the extra gel. And once I'm happy with the nail, I just make sure to look at it from all the different kind of angles. You can also go ahead with a little brush and just smooth out the underside. However, I barely had any gel, so I didn't really have to do that. So yeah, you just kind of cure it, and it feels really nice and sturdy at first. But then afterwards, some of these did start to just kind of lift. I'm not sure why, but yeah. If they feel sturdy, that's good, but just kind of make sure that they don't start to get any pockets on the side. If that happens, it means it's probably gonna lift. So just kind of wiggle the nail after you cure it. Even though it feels sturdy, just give it a wiggle just to check if it's gonna lift, or if there's anything that doesn't look right, which could lead to lifting as well. So just be careful of that. But as you can see, it's really easy to use this gel. You just kind of scoop it out, and I'm just tucking in the edges so that it doesn't kind of touch my skin. And I don't know what it is about this finger, but I have this weird little stain thing going on at the tip of this nail. I don't know what it is. I tried filing it off and like just cleaning it or whatever it is. I don't know what it is, but it just, I guess I'm gonna have to wait for it to grow out with my nail. So I'm sorry if that looks weird. I don't know what that is. So I also decided to do my other hand. I'm just including this part in the video just so you guys can see. this gel makes it really easy to do your non-dominant hand as well, which is actually one of the reasons why I also chose to use this kind of gel, because I hate having to be in that really awkward position and then have to cure my nail under the light with my non-dominant hand. I just absolutely hate that. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and file. These tips are very minimal filing. I'm just doing the sidewalls because, as you can see, a little bit of gel kind of just comes off. Sometimes there's a bit of gel that you can't see, but this gel is really easy to file and it just comes off really, really easy. So I'm just doing that and then removing the little tab piece at the tip of the nail. And that's pretty much it for filing. I didn't really need to buff the nail tips. These are pre-buff nail tips on the underside and on the top as well, so that's really nice. It means you can just go in with your design or whatever it is you want to go on top of. You can also chemically buff these nails with some rubbing alcohol or some acetone as well if you want to like extra buff the nail. But that's optional, you don't have to do that. And I also decided to just really quickly just go in with my e-file and smooth out that cuticle area, just because I felt that there was a tiny bit of gel that I couldn't see there. So I just decided to quickly go over the cuticle area. So my code is on screen. You can save 20% off the Btartbox website if you use my code MBCAMIN20. And yeah, they have amazing tips. If you watched my previous video, I was talking about the French tips that they have. So it's like a full cover nail with like this beautiful French tip design. They really think about the design of their tips when making them, because they have this beautiful shape, they have beautiful structure to the nails, the thickness at the cuticle area is nice and thin, and the free edge is a bit thicker, so they are nice and strong, and the shape lasts you a long time as well. And they also have a really, really stunning design. They have some really unique stuff, and I really like what they put out there. So I'm a big supporter of this brand. I just really love what they're doing with nail tips. I strongly recommend that you guys try them out if you want to. And I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy their products. I definitely enjoyed them. I've tried a bunch of their nail tips, as well as their press-on nails, which were also really, really good. Those lasted me about a month, and I would assume that these would last me a month as well. So I decided to do 2 coats of this beautiful pinky nude shade. This is the Savvyland Builder Gel collection. However, I use these gels more as gel polishes. I don't think they're Builder Gel consistency at all, but the shades are beautiful. I have been using these ever since I've got them. However, I am looking for like a good set of like nude gels, just to keep in my collection, because despite all the gels I have, I actually don't have a good set of nudes that I can just kind of go to. Of course I love these, but I was hoping to find something with a bit more variety. Savvyland does some great colors, however I feel like they focus more on their pinks. So I did want to see if you guys know any brands with like good nudes. Definitely let me know in the comment section below. So for the design, I wanted to keep it simple, I guess, but this shade actually didn't work out. I wanted to do red hearts all over. However, this red just ended up looking too like neon, too electric, so I did end up kind of toning it down. I wanted to do a lighter red, but it ended up looking like a pink. So yeah, I think these were cute, but they just, I don't know, I feel like it was just too bright for me, so I did end up removing them. But here's me quickly doing the hearts. The color is really cute, I just wasn't feeling it that day, so I did go ahead and remove them. And now I'm just gonna do a little mix of the red with some white, just to get it a bit lighter. And my goal here was to get it as like a bit of a lighter red, but it ended up looking pink, which I'm not mad about. I still liked it, but by the end of the video I ended up changing it again to like a more traditional red. So yeah, I didn't include that in the video, but just know that these hearts I removed the next day. I just filed them off, and I ended up doing just like a more traditional red, and I love the way they look. I still am wearing them right now. I have no lifting. The shape is still great. They feel really comfortable, they feel really sturdy. But once the hearts were all on, I did go in and cure for about 60 seconds, and then I went in with one of my favorite top coats. I've been loving the Nail Reserve No Wipe top coat recently. It's such a good top coat, and it just keeps the nails shiny for so long. So if you haven't tried it, try it out. I do have a discount code with Nail Reserve. I will have it on screen as well, and you can save some money off their website. And now I'm just finishing off the nail look with some cuticle oil. This is the Macart Soy Cuticle Oil. You can save 15% off if you use my discount code Nails by Camin. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to do these Gel X nails. I really enjoyed using these products. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!